right, let's talk prizes. Prizes. During our anniversary celebration every year, we give away so many prizes. It is right around the corner, May 29th through 31st. There will be two types of prizes that we give away. One is for kids. It's a kids prize wheel. So anybody 17 and under can spin the prize wheel, one spin per kid per day. Just for being a kid, they get a prize coming to our shop. The second set of prizes we give away is, we call them prize packages because they're pretty awesome. They're complete packages of prizes. And kids and adults can enter to win these prizes. You receive one entry slip per person per day. So join us May 29th through 31st. But I thought you might want to see what they are because they're right behind me and they're amazing. Let's check them out. So here are the 8 amazing prize packages that we'll be giving away during the anniversary weekend. When you visit us that weekend, each prize package will have a number or a name, and it'll have a sign, and the sign will kind of be sitting right here. And what you'll do is you'll fill out an entry slip and you'll deposit your entry slip in the little plastic fishbowl container next to each, whichever prize you'd like to try to win. So again, there's 8 prizes, 8 little bowls. You can designate which one you'd like a chance to win. So let's buzz through them really quick. We've got some cool specimen and mineral pieces up here, some obsidian, zeolite, angelite, celestite, sodalite, megalodon tooth. That's always a fan favorite. This package has some chrysocolla, tourmaline, aragonite, desert rose, vanadenite, ocean jasper. This prize pack has a dream catcher, singing bowl, selenite moon bowl, obsidian, jade horse, pink tourmaline, and a collection of bracelets. This prize pack has a helmet and certificates to redeem for 6 either rockhound or beachcomber buckets, 1 fossil bucket, and 1 megalodon bucket. Those are for in-store use only. This prize pack includes 10 large 3D prints. And so the winner of this pack can choose any 10 3D prints that they'd like from the shop. This one is a huge fan favorite. Oh, we'll save that one for last. Okay, let's go to this one. This is a massive Orthoceras fossilized plaque. Orthoceras is a prehistoric squid. And that is a beautiful work of art. And okay, last one, usually considered the best. We try to always give away a cathedral every year. And so this is a super beautiful citrine or heat treated amethyst cathedral. All right, those are the prizes and we hope to see ya. Thanks so much.